wanted to say that I love you. I love you so much. I just want to give you a big hug right now. I love you so much. I love all of you. I love every single one of you. Equally. No conditions. Unconditional love. I myself have gone through some addictions, as we all have. Setbacks, mistakes. I fell quite a dozen times, and every time I get back up, I see wider. I see clearer. I see a lot clearer every time I get back up. It's like I take another step. Take another step higher. And I realize, man, I'm so fucking powerful. Yes, we're all so fucking powerful. And we can create anything we want. We can do it. We can do it. We can. It's possible. If we have the will. If there's a will, there's a way. There's always a way, but you gotta have the will. Gotta have the will. The will to create, the will to create, to co-create, the will to take action, the will to take action. But all action starts with a thought, which is sent from the heart, which is sent from the heart space, which is sent from the soul, the origination, the originator, the origins, back to the origins. It's all familiar. It's all familiar. All familiar territory when you are living through the lens of the soul, and letting the soul take us on this crazy ride, crazy cool adventure, crazy cool cosmic adventure of a lifetime. We know our worth. We know our worth. We know that all is possible. Everything that we feel inside of ourselves is real. It's real. It's real. Yeah, it's real. That's real on the inside. That's real on the inside. You know? What do you feel is real? Then that's real. You know? What you feel, though, not what you think. Silence the mind for some time. For an hour, a week, a day. That's hard. That's a lot. It's quite a challenge for most of us. But if you do it even 20 minutes, 30 minutes, creativity comes back. The expansion comes back. The clarity comes back. That's what you see from the highest ground. You know? So do the things that that help you get into that space, you know? And making that priority to invest in these practices and rituals and, you know, take it one step at a time. It doesn't have to be, you don't have to be in a rush. You don't have to be in a rush. What's the rush, brother? You know? Take a breath. So go fully in and then go fully out, you know? Go fully in. Dive fully in to yourself, to all the aspects of yourself that you don't want to dive into. Dive into them. Trust me, it's worth it. It's worth it. There's so much more to see. There's so much more to experience. So much more expansion. There's so much more. Yes, there is. Yes, yes, yes. That's what it feels like. Yes. Go for it. Go for it. Go for it. And if it's not, then just be like, nah. It won't feel that great. It won't feel like a yes. Like a yes, you know? Like, yes! You know? If it's not a yes, like a yes to the deepest core of your being, it's not worth it. It's not worth it. And you may invest some time in that, but you come to realize sooner or later that putting yourself in these positions, time and time again, over and over and over again, can only lead you so far. You can only reach to certain states, and then you stop. So, it requires you to let go of all the baggage, everything that no longer serve you, and everything. You know, a lot of people talk about all these things, but there's a lot of addictions out there, a lot of distractions. So you gotta release all the addictions and distractions that are not serving you. And the way to see that, the ultimate way that I found to see that is to take a break from everything. So you can see. Because otherwise you're not gonna see that. You're not gonna to come with clarity again. You need space. You need space. You need emptiness. Emptiness. In emptiness you find everythingness. You find the gold. You gotta be empty and you gotta have space. So you use the space and you use the emptiness as a tool for your advantage to getting clarity. Now how do you get space? Well, you take a break from everything outside. Not everything, just the things that you do a lot. You know, you do a lot, and maybe just try something new. Try something new and wander around. Try out new things. Go to new places. Take a break from all the old people, all the old foods, all the old thoughts. The thoughts that don't make you feel like you're worthy. The thoughts that make you feel like you're not somebody, you know? That you're not who you are. The thoughts, the foods, the people that bring you down, that don't uplift you. If it's an energy that's not of uplifting, self-empowering, and inspiration that you emanates from the heart, don't go for it. Don't go for it. It's not worth it. And you'll feel that. So take a break from food. From food, yes. Food is a distraction. It can be a distraction. And it has been a distraction for many of us, even myself, time and time again. So take a break from food for a day or two. A fast for a day or two is completely harmless. Completely harmless. One day or two, everyone can do that. Even the sickest of sickest, and it actually help them. Actually help everybody if you take a fast. Take a fast from food. Take a fast from social media. Take a fast from, social media. Instagram and Facebook. Turn off all your notifications. Go into the woods. Take a fast from people. And spend some time alone. Get to know yourself. Get to know yourself. Because you are pretty fucking cool. Like, you don't know that. Some of us don't know that. I don't even know that sometimes. I'm just like, because I get lost. And I get lost in the sticky, icky sauce, and it's not fun to be there. And then once I get out of the sticky, icky mess, I just be like, whoa, now it's not so gooey and ooey, yucky. It's actually pretty clean. It's pretty nice. And start to realize, hey, man, you're pretty cool, awesome, spiritual, badass, rainbow superhero, handsome, gorgeous, rainbow ascended master of light. And you deserve the best. You deserve the best. Why not? You deserve the best. You deserve the best. And I repeat that. You gotta repeat that to yourself. To remind the self. To remind the self that, yeah, there's so much more. There's so much more out there. Not limit myself in any matter, shape or size or fashion, in any size or shape or size or fashion, or no, don't. It's not worth it. And then you'll realize it's not worth it once you dive into that. You have to fall. Now we realize that we're limitless. We're limitless. You're all limitless. We deserve the best. So my motto that I live by all the time, I do my best. I do my best. Leave the rest and don't stress. Do your best. Leave the rest. Don't stress. Yeah. Do your best. Don't leave the rest. And don't stress at all. It's quite simple, but very profound. Just do your best, but just leave the rest. And don't stress over it. Don't stress over things that are out of your control. Focus on you, and you're creating your masterpiece garden that you want to create inside of your temple, inside of your garden, inside of your beautiful being, inside of your soul. You want to make your soul beautiful. You want to make it glow and shimmer and shine, because it just feels amazing. Like, it feels incredible, right? Like you're like, woo, woo, woo. That's what it feels like. No, it feels a lot more cosmic than that. There's more. There's a lot more. So much more. You settle for less than the best. To get to the best. To get to better. To get to better. The best is always getting better. The best is always getting better. And the better is always getting best. Best. Get better. And you'll get better. You'll grow better. You grow in love better. There's levels to this stuff. And it's infinite. Just as you are. Just as we all are. We're pretty limitless. We're all limitless vibrations. We just forgot it. So, yeah. You deserve the best. You deserve to eat the best foods. You deserve to be in the best place. You deserve to be around the people that are the best, that are the most loving towards you. You deserve to live the life that's the best for you. Like, you feel it. Like, you're worth. You deserve it. Like, in a place that you feel so happy, so at peace, so calm, so nourished all the time. There shouldn't have to be a time where you're not like that. Where you're always in a safe place, a safe environment, a comfortable environment. You don't have to worry about survival. Survival? What is that? We're here to thrive. We're here to thrive. Not survive. That's the old days. We know this. We're here to be the best we can be. All of us. Yes. We can. I want to help everyone. I want to help everybody. Everybody deserves it. And I guess this is an easy way for me to do that. Just talk to a camera and I can actually reach out to a lot of people. I don't really expect anybody to really watch out the way up to the end, but I don't know. I do this to release myself. Release things onto the ether net. And maybe someone else will catch it. I hope for change. I hope for inspiration. I hope that you enjoyed this. Whoever you are, wherever you are, just know I love you. I love you. As my brother, my sister, as my mother, my father, like everyone's soul family. Soul Tribe, to all the families, my family, to my friends, whoever is my friend out there, angels. Yeah, I love you all. Peace.